What up, y'all? It's Prophet. Today I'm back up in you with a retail arbitrage haul. Walmart, Goodwill, and a random thrift store. Three places, over little over $500. And let's get started with the Walmart haul. Yeah, I bought a whole lot of damn t-shirts. Look up under here. I guess I have it kind of hidden. Look at all those. Boom. You ask yourself, why did you buy those? Were they on clearance? No, I paid full price for them. They were $15 and change. It's a 7-pack. The 7-packs are actually rare to begin with. These sell for $22 on eBay just for the t-shirts, okay? But as you see here, there's a little something there you can get. Rare Michael Jordan autograph cards. Okay, well, you get cards in every pack. More than likely, you're not going to get an autograph. If you did, it's going to be a $10,000 plus autograph because they're 1 in 100,000 packs. So they're real hard to get, but there is a lot of other good things. So these are basically free, and I get a little profit on top of it. Right there. So there's gold cards, there's all kinds of different parallels, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open them on camera. I'm gonna make a video about that alone. I'm gonna open all 20 packs. I bought the whole case for $340 some odd dollars. Don't quote me on it right now, but maybe we'll pull an autograph live. Nobody's pulled one yet as far as I know. So it's pretty cool. And these are hard to get, by the way. You cannot find them everywhere because, for one, the t-shirt, it's a good value. You get a free t-shirt legitimately. But these sell for more on eBay. But I have an idea with a homeboy on YouTube who has a connection to some t-shirts. And since I'll have 140 of them, maybe we'll do a limited edition t-shirt and we'll sell them. And that's it. You know, we'll make a run of 140. Maybe we can do something good with that. Or I'll just pop them on eBay in a lot, 99 cents, and let them roll and see what happens. And I'll keep y'all informed. But I'll let y'all know either way. So anyways, so that's enough about the t-shirts there. I'm going to move on to what else I found. I also found a baseball. Yeah, ooh, a baseball. $5. These sell for $20 all day long. It's brand new. People mainly buy these particular ones to get autographs on. And that was a cool one. So Walmart was good to me today. Hopefully after it pays off. I mean, these are free, guys. Honestly, they're free. I'm going to make my money back regardless. I got 2 of these. It's Snake and Mongoose set. It's a transporter funny car. And these were $12 and change. So I'm going to be able to sell them for $25 each. So it's not a lot of profit, but I think these are quick movers, Hot Wheels. These are pretty good. And I'm a drag racing fan, so I knew to get these. The other ones really don't have much value, but these do. Move them out of the way. Plus I found a chase car, an Auto World Johnny Lightning chase car. As you can see, the chase cars will be different pretty much than the ones on the package, different color. It's a red chase. I can't remember what else they call it. Deep red, whatever. But anyways, this is $25 all day long. This was $4.99. So that was pretty cool. All right, so we're done with Walmart. Now we move on to an awesome Goodwill haul. We'll start off with this crazy vampire hot chick puzzle here. 1,500 pieces. I've never seen it before, but it caught my eye right away. And that's what you need to do. Anything unique, stuff you don't see all the time. This isn't sold at Walmart. Come on. So why wouldn't you grab this, put it in your cart, and look it up? So when I did, $50 to $250 these particular puzzles sell for. Not this one in general because I couldn't find this one. So I'm hoping I'll make at least 75 on it. Either way, it was $4. So that was pretty damn cool. Moving on, we'll go to the next big item. This is a singing, dancing Monster Mash doll. It was sold at Eckerd, which is out of business now. It was like a CVS is what it is now, I guess. I think they bought them out. But it's a WowWee toy, and WowWee interactive toys usually have really good value. This one's going to go $40 to $65, and the closer we get to Halloween, which we're not, I'll get even more for it. But I paid $3.99 for that too. Actually, $2.99 for that one. Excuse me. So we'll move into this big dog here. Boom! Kick your ass with that. What do you think? It's a Dave & Buster's boxing glove plush, and it was $2.99 with the tag still on it. It sells for $15 to $20 plus shipping. Yeah, it's a little awkward, but I don't know. I just can't leave that kind of profit behind. But let me go ahead and get into my favorite bag, probably the most profitable bag. Something I've already sold. As soon as I posted it, pretty much I sold it. A Def Leppard vintage t-shirt, 1992, Adrenalize, all over t-shirt. So it's basically all around the same print. It's pretty rare, pretty sought after. After I sold it, I put it on my Instagram and people were trying to buy it from me left and right in my DMs. I was like, holy crap. So that's going to be a thing, by the way. I'm growing my Instagram if you haven't checked it out by now. Addicted to Profit with underscores in between the words. And we're moving on. But this, anyways, guys, I sold it for $170. I got it for $2.99. It's $170. I pay the shipping. Woo woo. I'll pay $4 and change to ship it. That was pretty damn awesome. What do you think? That's profit. That's why I'm addicted to it. And then, this I haven't popped on yet. It's a ski bunny outfit. Woo. So it's a vintage 1980s. It doesn't look 80s. It looks newer. But it's like a ski outfit. And this is the second one I've gotten recently. It's made by Nils. Anyways, it sells for over 100. I'm going to post it for like 125. Moving on. We got a Top Gun kids outfit. It was $24.99. I got it for $2. And actually, these sell very well. I've gotten the female version of it. And it's very hot. Not to say this is. I'm just saying that this is profit right here. So, and the female version was selling for like 40 bucks. This is an ultimate basketball book for 39 cents. I think it has a little value. This was pretty cool. $25 to $30 it sells for, sometimes a little more. It's a construction platformer set. I don't know, some kind of building set. It was $3.99. I'm good with that. This right here, couldn't find any others like it, even though it's got a little wear. It's another Tim Duncan, San Antonio Spurs rookie year. It looks like, because it has the old logo and the NBA logo, cap for $1.99. A couple of salt and pepper turkey shakers for $1.09 each. These were larger ones. Pretty cool. Yeah, I usually don't mess with that, but for $1, I'll gamble. This was awesome. If you don't know, Pampered Chef is really good stuff, man. $3.99. This is going to go $40 to $60. Digital thermometer, brand new in the box for your foods to make sure they're the right temperatures. $1.99 for some Bose headphones. No, I wish, but the case alone is going to get $15 to $20. People are looking for it because they lost theirs or whatever happened to it. $1.99. Wooden dice. What do you think about that? Woo! Sorry, I'm one-handed. Let's roll some dice. That's too many to count. So I got them for $1.50. You don't see wooden dice every day. I don't know what they're worth. I just got them because they're $1.50. Here's a couple of soap box, soap box derby cars for $1. 2 of them for $1. That was pretty cool. Got a Taz Christmas ornament here. That was $1.99. They sell for like 20, 15 to 20, probably closer to Christmas, but you know, I bought it anyway. This was a bit of a gamble at $2. Q95 rock and roll hat. Looks like it's out of LA. Has the LA Dodgers cap on. He looks like Cheech Marin. But anyways, I figure there might be some nostalgia in that. And whoever was in that area might want to own that. Speaking of nostalgia, if you ever stole a car with a club and you laughed at the person that did it, here you go. You can wear that cap everywhere. Why would they make a snapback cap of the club? Anyways, that's kind of cool. So I bought it for $1.99. I don't know what it's worth. Here's an Iggy Pop. Old school rock and roll. Kids are very small female shirt right there. I think that'll sell for something. That was 99 cents. Got a bunch of DVDs. Sorry, I'm one-handed. Again, got a bunch of wrestling DVDs. All these 99 cents each. All the games were 99 cents each. Xbox 360, Zumba, Your Shape. Here's a Triple H. Here's a Muppet Show. Season 1 was 99 cents. More wrestling. One Night Stand, ladder matches, Half-Life. It's a 5-disc computer game set. You got Rick and Morty. I'm not into that. If it's your cup of tea, maybe you can buy it from me. Season 1, 99 cents. No, I'm not selling it to you for that. Here's Mario Kart 8. It's good shape, except the case is kind of ragged out, but for $1, I'll take it all day long. Assassin's Creed. Sealed brand new DVD Blu-ray for $1. You got Borderlands, Game of the Year, Xbox 360, Pinocchio Disney. Disney movies usually sell quick. And Far Cry computer game. And there's a mystery item in here, which was 99 cents. It's a Radio Shack digital. I wish it was digital. It's a little recorder. Put the little cassettes in there. And you record. These are actually sought after. This one will go $25 plus. I didn't even look it up for $1. There went some t-shirts. That's the autograph pack, by the way. So if you didn't know, I've sold these for upwards of $100, depending on the brand and which, you know, how high end the model is. But anyways, we'll move on to this. This was $5. It's a Rummy King. It's like a hand carved box. It's all in there with instructions. They put the tag on the instructions for $4.99. This is $40 all day long. This here, I didn't know what it was. I seen it was $10. I figured it was worth a look. I open it up. I still don't know what the hell it is. If I can open it up here. Please bear with me. Does it have one zipper or two? Yeah, this is good. All right. Anyways, it's some kind of interactive toy. You plug in the USB, and it had this Apple thing with it. I think it's a router. I'm not sure, but I don't think that goes to it, but it was in there anyway. So it's got these random cubes here. I don't know what any of this stuff does. It looks like Minecraft stuff kind of, but I don't think it is. Some kind of interactive thing here, but it's worth 65 to 100 in the case. So I paid 10 for it. It looks like brand new, so that's a nice profit right there. I think I did that. What do we got here? A John Cena breast cancer awareness shirt, kids shirt. It was 99 cents. That's gonna sell okay. Here's some more DVDs. Another 99-cent WrestleMania anthology. This one should sell well. I mean, for $1, it's got a bunch of discs in it, probably a 10 disc set. Here's a Steve and Barney's, I think it's called, jersey. Well, there went some of my profit just now. Greetings. I have a Halloween get up in the background there. So it's a Mexico jersey, Steve and Barney's, and it was $2.99. I'll get like 40 for that, hopefully. Here's a German coffee cup for 99 cents. I took a Westminster Abbey. It's pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's worth something. I've done well with German items. And then here's a monkey cup for $1. Mug Life. All about the mug life. Gary V. All right, we're almost done, guys. Caps. I'm a sucker for caps that look like they're brand new and they're $2. It's a New Era fitted Texas Rangers cap for $1.99. We got hopefully a vintage Blink 182 shirt right there, but either way it was 99 cents, so I didn't pay much for it. This was $3. It's a vintage, hopefully, Nike Cooperstown collection. Well, I know it is. It sells for $20 all day long. Texas Rangers shirt, and it was $2.99. Here's the one. I don't think it's vintage, but if it is, it's worth hundreds of dollars. It's a Nirvana old school t-shirt. In utero, it looks like, but it has no tag on it, so I can't tell. And I can't see if it's single stitch or not. I'm going to look it over because people tell me to look at single stitch. Here's a Metallica embroidered shirt. It's really nice. It is made by Ponderosa or Barber. Sorry, I don't know where I got that bravado, excuse me. So I don't know if that's anything better. I've never seen that before on a Metallica shirt. And we got a Sturgis 2014 Black Hills Buffalo shirt. South Dakota. Hopefully this will sell well. I paid $3 for it. Got this here was only $1. $1. It's Esteban. Hopefully it's autographed there. It looks like it's signed. I don't think it is. I think it's just made like that. But either way, this guy used to come on the shopping channel and sell his guitar lessons and stuff like that. It's a full box set with DVDs, CDs, and stuff. It's all there for $1. Can't go wrong on that. I got a bunch of random albums. I'm not even going to show them off. It's a Ted Nugent. I think Bruce Springsteen. They were all $1 each. Bob Seger. Not much. I think I got like 6 Ted Nugent or 7. So anyways, I think that's it. I covered everything and made a huge ass mess. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please hit the like button. Please comment. Please tell me what you scored. Please tell me what you think, what you don't like about it, what you like about it. And peace.